Hello everyone, this is Sam with the Chronic Creators. Today I'm going to install a stereo into the shop. I have these old speakers that I found in the shop when we moved here. I also have an old amp that we pulled out of the house. We got a new one inside the home, so I'm going to take this one and we're going to use this. It's got good power, 140 watts per channel, and it's a 5.1 channel. And yeah, I can hook up my iPhone to it, I can hook up anything really to it. I'll probably hook the TV up to it. And yeah, speaker wire we're going to use is the Southwire. It's in-wall speaker wire. It's a 14-2 stranded conductor. Yeah, it's rated to be inside the walls, so it's going to be nice and safe. We're not going to start the walls on fire accidentally. You know, if you use cheap wire, you also get cheap sound, and you also potentially get a really expensive bill from the insurance company for burning your home down. I guess it's not a bill, but you know what I mean. Alright, so this is where I'm going to put my amp, my PlayStation, right here in the ultimate workbench. Alright, now that we got it cleaned out, now I need to figure out where the studs are in the wall. Now, as you can see, there's a seam here in the plywood. This is where one stud is. Okay, 16 inches over in both directions is another stud. So all I have to do is cut a hole in between those 2 points. So if I got a stud here, 16 inches to the right, I also have another stud. So I can cut a hole anywhere in between those two. Okay, so now we're going to cut this hole in the wall. Best tool for the job is this oscillating multi-tool. This is Rockwell Sonic Crafter F30. It's fully adjustable for speed, and yeah, it's got a quick release pin here to remove the blades. And yeah, this thing's really handy to have. We're going to cut a square hole right in here. Okay. It's going to get really loud. Okay, there we have it. The hole's cut. Now I'm going to try to pop this piece out so it doesn't fall into the wall. And then we're going to go up top and fish the wire down. As you can see, the fish stick is pushed down with the 2 wires. One wire is coming from that far corner over there. Other wire goes all the way down this way. I'll flip the light around. All the way down there. To the other corner of the shop. Okay. I added these pieces of plywood so I could walk all the way down there. But yeah. Now, hopefully, the fish stick is far enough down, I can pull it out the bottom. Hopefully. And yeah, here's the view from the ladder. Safety first, gotta have the John Deere holding me up. Okay, got the fish stick down the wall now. Now I'm just gonna pull it out through this hole. If I can. There we go. There it is. Perfect. So I'm going to make these look a little bit older and not just like plain plywood. Okay, I could paint them, I could stain them, I can do all sorts of things. But what we're going to do today is we're going to actually burn them. Burn the wood. Got my blowtorch. Fire extinguisher is over there, so just in case it starts on fire, which very well could. It's a wooden workbench, and we're burning wood, so be very careful when you do this. But yeah, let's see how it looks. Now, let's see if we can get in here, just start burning it. Okay, I just wanted to kind of show you guys. So that's what they look like. Like so. And they're gonna look great up on the wall.